In the last episode, Safelite refused to remove my Honda Del Sol's windshield because of some rust. So my friend Jerry kicked it out.
Oh my God.
And then we literally ripped it out. My name is Erica, and this is the DIY Del Sol restoration project brought to you by Resin Auto Co. In this episode, we're going to tackle the rust spots to get prepped and ready for a new windshield install. Before the windshield was removed, we uncovered the area of most concern.
Is it through or no? Okay, perfect. Oh, huge weight just got lifted off my shoulders.
I was super relieved that the top area was not too bad. We wire wheeled the rust off the driver's side pillar, and then from there, we wire wheeled and sanded the top area down until all of the rust was gone. There were 2 small holes. Luckily, nothing worse. Before we made an even bigger mess, we created a makeshift windshield out of a cardboard box. Then, we applied the bondo to the areas that needed it, sanded and primed them. And finally, I got to drive the Del Sol back into the driveway like Ace Ventura, which was really fun. In the next episode, the Del Sol is going to get a new windshield installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.